Hello everyone, my name is Bogdan from Revoicer. Let's have a look at how we can create voiceovers that contain different emotions. I'll use Tyler for this one, just because he's one of my favorite voices, has a lot of emotion options for us to use. So if we look up here, we'll notice that we have two options to select tone. The tone drop-down menu on the right, and the set tone blue button. The tone option will make the entire text that we input the same emotion. The emotion that we select here will make it so that the entire text is that same emotion. But in this video, we'll explore the set tone blue button. Now I'll go with friendly for the first part. So as you can see, this adds another text input box. Everything added in this box will be spoken in the selected emotion. We can also add another box by clicking the plus button. For this one, I want it to be whispering. I'll copy the text in the box, and I'll just add one more at the end, which we will make excited, and add the last part of my text. So let's generate the audio and see what it sounds like.
Did you know that you can create voiceovers with multiple emotions? Well, let me tell you. You actually can!
Great, so I love it. Tyler always delivers. This is how we can do multiple emotions in one single voiceover. Now you can also delete any of them by clicking the X button, and that'll get rid of all the text box in case things get a bit more confusing. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope you have a lovely day.